Good afternoon, everyone. I am Kate Wisner D. Amarilla. So, today, I'm discussing about the causes of climate change. So, what is climate change? Climate is a combination of long-term meteorological event in each place and time. So, for example, kung i-compare na to ang panahon sa karon o sa una is lahi ra. So, sa unang panahon, ang dagan silang oras is kalma lang siya, is hinay. Kung ato i-compare ang sa karon is mura siya ni kusog-kusog. So mao na siya ang example of climate change. Climates are known to have changed in the past several times based on geological evidence. So in 18 years ago, vast areas are covered by continental glaciers. So example of the glaciers is mo ni siya. Like mura siya kana ganing nagbuo nga ice na mura siya kanang nag-form na siya mountains. So the other peak, so makita na to siya nga mura gid siya mga mountains pero ice gid ni siya. Once is kani nga ice is makuhaan or kanang kaning mabungkag, mo na siyang mag-cause sa kaning pagtaas sa water level. So makita man to karon nga sa balita nga niingon sila nga they are many islands nga nangataguan na because of the grazing ang water levels. So so advancing and retreating glaciers suggest that climate has undergone slow but continuous change. In the present, less than 10% of these glaciers are in existence. And human influence is very likely the main driver of the global retreat of glaciers since in 1990s. So, and the evidence of global climate change comes from the core samples taken from the ocean floor sediments and ice from Greenland and Antarctica. A multi-university research project known as CLIMAP. So CLIMAP long-range investigation, mapping, and prediction studied and analyzed for oh no the past million years of global climates. The thousands of meters of sediments are drilled and analyzed for calcium carbonate shells of organisms that once lived near the surface, distributing type of organisms and oxygen isotope ratio provide information how the glacier advanced and close parenthesis Unrens 2009. So, the climate change is the combination of the long-term meteorological event in a specific place and time. So, climate has changed many times in the past based on the geological evidence. So, in the summary, the overall summary, climate refers to the long-term weather patterns in place and it has changed many times throughout the Earth history. About 18 years ago, and large part of the world were covered by glaciers, which they advanced and retreated as climate slowly changed. Today, less than 10% of the glacier studies human activities are now the main cause of the rapid melting and glaciers since the 1990s. So, because of naginahinay na gid siya na ginahinay og kanang nagkahinay-hinay og kang wala ang glaciers dito sa Greenland and Antarctica because of cause of the air pollution like fast floods, mo na siyang nagkahinay-hinay siya og nga guba ang mga glaciers dito sa Greenland and Antarctica because ang atong ozone layer is nagkahinay-hinay po siya og kangabuslot. So mo na karon ang atong kalibutan is grabe na siya kainit because of that influencing the that can harm in our that can harm in our earth. So na makakita na nato nga daga na makita na nato sa balita nga nagkangahinahinay na gyud ang mga mini islands nga kanga wala because of the nagkahangahilis na ang mga ice. And so that's all about my that's all to about my topic, and I hope nga naunta mo naamoy ma learn. Thank you.